Hello and welcome. This is a listening practice activity. Read the questions after the instructions, then listen to the story. Answer the questions after you listen. Play the recording again if you need. You can find more exercises in the description below. Questions. 1. How much pumpkin do you need for a pie? 2. What do you add to the pumpkin mixture besides eggs, sugar, and milk? 3. How do you make the pumpkin soft before mashing it? 4. What ingredients do you need to make the crust dough? 5. At what temperature should you bake the pie and for how long? 6. What can you eat the pumpkin pie with when it's ready? How to make pumpkin pie. Today, I will tell you how to make a delicious pumpkin pie. It's sweet, soft, and perfect for autumn. First, you need some ingredients. You will need about 500 grams of pumpkin, 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and some flour for the crust. You can also add a little cinnamon or nutmeg if you like. Start by cutting the pumpkin into small pieces and roasting it in the oven until it's soft. Then mash the pumpkin in a bowl. Add the eggs, sugar, milk, and spices. Mix everything well. Now, let's make the dough for the crust. In a bowl, mix flour, a little butter, a spoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Add some cold water and mix it until it becomes soft and smooth. Roll it out with a rolling pin and place it in a round baking pan. Pour the pumpkin mixture on top of the crust. Bake the pie in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. When it's ready, the top should look golden brown and smell amazing. Let it cool for a bit before serving. You can eat it with cream, ice cream, or even a cup of hot chocolate. And that's it, your homemade pumpkin pie.